With a look at Veracity here. Finally starting to get that bounce we've been talking about. All right, we put this fib on here the other day. You can see clearly right here. 786 pullback. Right there, 786. Got a nice bounce right off of that. Okay, had an A, B, C correction down. Had 5 waves up, 3 down. Now we should have another 5 waves up here if this plays out right. All right, we got the daily RSI just about reset, looking beautiful. All right, already getting a bounce, and this thing's not even reset. The weekly still heading up. The 12-hour just turning up, beautiful. The 8-hour is on its way up, and the 4-hour is bullish right now. You can see in this chart right here, absolutely perfectly. All right, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, then you have, and we're going to look for a price where we should might be heading here too. There's an ABC correction. See, there's your 5, 3. We should have 5 impulse waves up now. Okay, let's get a look here. If this all plays out right, the Veracity could be in for a really nice move here. And this should be a 1, 2. All right. So if we take a trend-based fib and put on this thing, let's see what kind of price area possibly we could be headed for. All right, let's see here. This thing gives a target up towards 18.5 cents. Wow, what is that from, and if this is a 1, 2, let's see what kind of, what would that be? Pull this in a little bit. Yeah, 2 and almost a 3x. All right, what we would be looking, and we're gonna look here and see if this makes any sense. 2, 3, 4, then your 5th wave up. Okay, it would look something like that. Now, if this is what's playing out, this 3rd wave, this should be a big move. Your 3rd wave should be your biggest move, your biggest impulse move. So if this is what is playing out, all right, and then inside of this, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll have 5 waves inside of this wave here. Okay, so if it pushes up, pulls back, push up, pull back, push up. It takes time to get this 3rd wave, and this isn't something that's just going to happen tomorrow, okay? It's going to take some work here. I mean, this move here started on September 23rd, okay? This push up, it ended on October 4th. The pullback just ended on October 12th, okay? So this takes time to play out. Now, this price up here, this area it's given us, right there's the target it's given us. Let's see if that makes any sense. Okay, let's zoom out here. Let's go out on the daily. All right, that's giving it a target up here. Okay, let's see here. If we take, let's see if this ties in with anything. A fib up here. What's going on here? Let's have this on. Yeah, okay, I got a little log. Alright, that's not the area I want. I want this area down here. Here we go. I'm sorry about that. Right here's the target it's given us. The previous run was over there. Yeah, okay. That would put us between a 50% and almost a 618. Usually your 618 or 702, that's the 2 areas you're going to hit. All right, first off, this thing would need to clear this move down here. Okay, right down here. I'm going to show you. It has to clear this price level first. All right, right up through here. It has to clear that 0.009. I'll call it a penny. All right, we have to clear that first to get to a higher move up here. Okay, let me see here. That 18 cents, that would, that could take, a couple months to play out. But the first move here to this 618 is up at 0.008, which is roughly almost 100% move from here to the 702 is 84%. All right, not too shabby. So if you have 1,000 in this, you know, you'll have 1,800. All right, if it gets this push up. All right, so it has to clear the 1 cent mark to get to these higher targets. So we're going to keep a very close eye on Veracity. Got some volume coming in down here. If you look at the bottom, see the volume? That's what you want to see right here. These green bars, you want to see them start stacking up. Okay, you don't want to see like this here. This was declining volume. All right, we need a breakout of that volume right there. Jeez, wonder why that keeps moving with me there, but need a breakout of that. So I'll be keeping an eye on this thing, but right now Veracity looks great. This thing looks ready to go to me. This ABC, you measure it out. Let's measure this out. Make sure it was. Let me see here. It helps if I have it on. Pretty close. Pretty close. Definitely, it's done. Right there, you can see this thing. If, like I said, if this is the third wave, this thing should be making some serious noise here in the next couple days. It's up 6%. I'm talking like a, one of these moves. You know, a 20, 30% move. And then to clear that, then this thing should really start ripping. So, Veracity, this should be fun. It's about time. This thing is taking a beating. Right, it's been beat down pretty good. And then the bigger move, if this is a bigger 1, 2, this could get really nuts here. Let's look at that. Wow. Yeah, if this was a bigger 1, 2, let's put a trend fib on that once here. From the low to the high to the retrace. That's what I'm talking about. Now we're starting to get back to a retrace levels like we should. This thing is just not retraced. There's a 50% if it gets up there. Look at that. Perfect. Up at 4 cents. That would be beautiful. That's what we need. Retracement. We have had none. From this all-time high, we should have at least made it back up to the 50% here at 4 cents, and we haven't. Just flat crash, consolidation. We should have a run at some time here. All right, so first off, let's concentrate on breaking that penny. That's the big one. We got to get past 1 cent first. All right, guys, thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a member of the channel. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.